The Intex Explorer K2 kayak set is designed to be both lightweight and compact, making it incredibly easy to transport and assemble for a quick start to your water adventure. Perfect for lakes and mild rivers, this kayak not only offers a fun and sporty experience but also ensures visibility with its bright yellow color and sleek graphics. Crafted with rugged vinyl and featuring an inflatable I-beam floor, the kayak offers excellent stability and comfort, enhanced by high-buoyancy side chambers. The kayak is designed for 2 people, supporting a maximum weight capacity of 400 pounds, providing ample space and security for a shared adventure. Equipped with an 86-inch paddle, inflatable seats with backrests, and a removable skeg, this kayak is outfitted with accessories that enhance both function and convenience. With its high-output pump and quick-fill Boston valves, inflating and deflating the kayak is a breeze, allowing you to spend more time enjoying the water.